All right, here's Ellie's portfolio. So Ellie's is very similar to Will's. So this is her first grade portfolio. And I need to write first grade on here. But she did the About Me page 2. This was at the very beginning of our school year. So that was in June of last year. Here's her 2020 work sample. And then I need to put her 2021 work sample in. She just decided to copy some words from a book for her work sample this time. So as you can see, she's really come a long way. Then we've got, the About page that we did at the beginning of the year, which this is a freebie on our website. Some things about her. We decided not to do the school day tracker because it doesn't matter for Utah, but you can do the school day tracker if you want to. And then again, the portfolio pages, which, like I said in my son's video, we didn't use a lot of these because I got really sick from being pregnant, and we kind of just did the bare minimum for a little while, but we're going to try to do better this year. Here's math. Here's, this one is for 4 operations. I need to get her numbers one in here, but these are all the things that she's marked off. And then some things, we're still working on are the things that are circled. So we're just going to continue with that. Getting in gear for 2nd grade. Now, we finished our 1st grade year early on purpose so that when baby comes, we can take stuff off in the fall. So she's going to keep working on these. She does know a lot of these. I just didn't mark them off because we hadn't gotten to them yet. Some fun garden schooling math that we did. And that is for the red folder. Now, blue is language arts. She started with a lot of these work pages here. And we shortly realized that that's not the way that we specifically wanted to go. But we do still have those on our website for other kids. And then, so there's a lot of those. We've also got lots of themed copy work. I only decided to keep a couple of these because there was a lot. But I've kept these in here. And then a poem that she traced, some little pictures that she's drawn for me, some things from Little Lessons, primary add-ons for everyday learn and play, which are here's. Here. My favorite trip was to Grandma's house. Word searches. This is the song that she made. Very interesting. And I've just kept some of her writing samples. And then I kept all of her mechanic letter pages from A to Z, which she just finished. That's what she needed to finish 1st grade so that she can move on. So I kept all of those. She's read through all these sight words, so I kind of wanted to keep a record of the sight words she knew. Then history, we did American history. We also did some map work for social studies, so I've kept that in here. These are from her history journal that I didn't put in there. So here's her history journal. And so she's got a lot of similar pages like that, and we'll just continue to add to that. So I didn't need to put it in here. Then we've got science, which I did just get these all in. So we did some simple studies, and then she did botany. A lot of the science that we do doesn't have work pages, so you wouldn't find it in here. I think for this next year, I'm going to print pictures and put them in here. And then this is some extra stuff. So journal pages, fun little tour chart she's made for herself, artwork. And then last here, we've got, some more writing for faith-based stuff that she's done. We've got poetry and her poetry notebook, which we're going to be starting up again soon. And then some Berenstain Bear stuff. And then she did learn how to tie her shoes this last year. She just, up until then, she really didn't care. So I included that in there too. That's Harley Quinn. So that is her portfolio. We're going to make another one like this for this school year for her and for her brother. And then she'll continue to use her history journal because we're going to be doing history again in the fall. And that is her 1st grade year in review. A lot of the materials she's going to be using for 2nd grade are going to be different, but they are all made by us and they'll be listed in the shop soon. I hope this was helpful. And let me know if you have any questions.